This is as bizarre as it gets. This man tried to smuggle gold out of the UAE by hiding it in his wig. He was traveling to India. But it's not an isolated case. Smugglers have been caught trying to carry gold illegally from the UAE into India nearly a dozen times in 2021 already. So just how much gold can you bring in and out of the UAE? First of all, hand-carrying gold on a plane is not in itself illegal, but it's about how much you are carrying and its proper documentation. There's no limit on the amount of gold a person can export from the UAE, and there are no taxes to be paid as you leave the country. In fact, if you are a visitor to the UAE and you have purchased gold, you can claim back the VAT at the airport when departing. But if you are traveling to the UAE, the story is different. Travelers are required to declare cash or any other financial instrument exceeding 100,000 dirhams, which is roughly $27,000. If you're carrying gold worth more than 100,000 dirhams, then customs officers in the UAE airports will expect to see a certificate of origin or purchase receipt as you enter the country. You are then charged 5% import duty on your gold. But if your jewelry is imported for re-export, then there is no customs duty. India, however, has different rules. When traveling to India, male passengers can only bring in up to 20 grams of gold, and female passengers can only bring in up to 40 grams of gold worth 100,000 Indian rupees, which is roughly $1,400. If a traveler wants to bring in more gold jewelry, they need to declare the amount at customs and pay an import duty of 10.75% to the Indian government.